Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video I am very excited because we're going to be taking a ride on this 323 that happens to be pulling in now. Three two three two three three will be doing the honours of taking us up to Manchester Piccadilly today, so let's get on. So far, seems like a pretty nice train to me. Now, we are just about to depart Crewe, but before we do, it's worth noting that these trains have a brilliant motor sound that you must listen out for.
The next station stop is Sandbach.
Upon leaving Crewe, we find ourselves passing the Crewe Heritage Centre, which has many things there, including... We're about to get bowled by a 350 taking my friend out of Crewe, because I had a friend there with me. Right, now that's moved out of the way, you can see some HSTs there, and you can also see the infamous APT. Now, the APT is essentially infamous because it was it was a bit of a fail. I'll leave more about its story in the description. Lovely breeze coming through that window. Alright then, seat tour. So starting off with the seats themselves, they're wonderful. I think they're really comfortable. The padding is excellent. Now, these trains are known for being very hairy, and I think that point is proven in this clip really. These trains also have dock matrix displays, however one was working and one wasn't. USB ports can be found down by the side of each row of seats, which, as you can see here, are in a 2x3 config. We're now arriving at our first of 11 stops between Crewe and Manchester Piccadilly, Sandbach. Not that. You ready?
Welcome aboard this Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly. The next station stop is Home Chapel.
Well, it's got announcements. We're now arriving into our next stop and the hometown of Harry Styles, where they are looking for some tour guides to take you around some very interesting Harry Styles locations. It's of course Holmes Chapel. Not gonna lie, I did not know that before I saw that on the news today, but there you go. Alright, coming up next is essentially just a bit of a speed run of some of the stops along the way, because there's quite a lot of them. Alright, we're now arriving into our third stop along the way, Alderley Edge, which was once named Cheshire's best kept station. Wait for the motor noises.
Welcome aboard this Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly. The next station stop is Wilmslow.
Alright, we're now arriving into our next stop, Wilmslow, where the only interesting fact I could find is that there used to be a signal box, and then the IRA decided to put some bombs near it. So, Wilmslow, everybody. On to our next station now, which has not been bombed by the IRA, but instead has an abandoned garden and half-hourly services style. And yes, that was basically everything that was in the history section on Wikipedia, so, yeah. We're now arriving into our next station, Manchester Airport, where little did we know we'd be waiting here for about 20 minutes.
Welcome aboard this Northern Service 2, Manchester Piccadilly. The next station stop is Heel Green.
There's a plane, plane spotters. Let me know what plane that is, please, thanks. Oh, our next station, what's going to be? Heald Green. Love that noise. Again, plane spotters. What type of plane is that? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.
Well, motor's gonna start soon, so I might as well film it. Right.
Northern Service 2, Manchester Piccadilly. The next station stop is Burnage.
He sounded confused then, didn't he? Have you noticed that when the motor starts, the lights flicker? Have you noticed that? When the train goes to start, the lights flicker. I wonder why it does that. Does anyone let me know? Let me know in the comments.
Got 195 6331. Woo.
This is Burnage.
Why does he sound so confused? Burnage. Oh, I didn't quite catch it on camera then, but the lights flicker every time. I'll try and get it captured at the next
Welcome
station.
aboard this Northern Service 2, Manchester Piccadilly. The next station stop is Malbeth Road.
Right, when we get to Malbeth Road and we go, I'll film the lights flickering.
Right, are you ready? That will start flickering in a minute. Did that pick up on camera? I don't know if that. Don't know if it picked that up on camera, but it did.
Welcome aboard this.
Not long now, and we will be coming into Piccadilly.
Alright then, as we approach Manchester Piccadilly and we do that little slow approach thing into it, let's talk about the class 323. The short answer is the first time riding this train too soon to put it up there among one of my favourite trains? Is that too soon? If not, is it? I mean, I loved it. I really did love this train, and I think what I noticed is that trains around the same age as this, so like your 322s and your Justins and stuff, they showed their age, didn't they? Trains of this age, they'd normally show their age, but I mean, it's obviously not the most modern train like the 331, but you can't really tell it's as old as what it is. It's amazing. I really like this train. The seats are very comfortable. The lighting is amazing. It's just I don't know what it is about this train that I like so much, but I just really like this train. So there you go. 323s get a thumbs up from me. Here we are passing Manchester Train Care Depot. You can see some of the former TransPennine Express Nova 3 sets hiding in there. Obviously, TransPennine Express made the very silly decision to withdraw them back in December 2023. Just over there in the distance you can see the Etihad Stadium, which is home to Manchester City. It has a capacity of 53,400 people, making it the 9th largest stadium in the UK. Ardwick Station, which only sees 2 trains a day in each direction. And after just about an hour, we're now arriving into Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, and just like that, we're outside this entrance at Piccadilly. We're now going to go get a tram across to Victoria and then get the train home. So thank you for watching. Bye.